Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks that will help your nails grow faster and longer in just like 10 days. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So tip number 1. Always use an acetone-free nail polish remover. Acetone is very harsh and it removes a lot of natural oils from your nails and skin. If you use acetone regularly, then it can break your nails, so it's better to stay away from it. Tip number 2. File your nails regularly. Regular filing is essential to keep nails stronger, prevent tears, and promote growth. Glass nail files are better for filing your nails. They are longer wearing and easy to clean. To get the best finish from your filing, always opt for a soft file or a glass file to prevent tearing or splitting your nails. Tip number 3. Push your cuticles regularly. Using a cuticle pusher, carefully push back the cuticle along the nail bed. Trim excess skin and hangnails, but never cut off the entire cuticle. The idea is to remove excess skin and hangnails only. Do not cut the cuticles completely. Pushing cuticles can help in faster nail growth. Tip number 4. Rub a lemon on your nails 3 times a week. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is excellent for nail growth. It helps to treat dull nails and provide them luster. They are also found to get rid of yellow nails and give it a nice shine. Tip number 5. Use vitamin E as a cuticle oil daily. To make your nails grow faster, you can apply vitamin E oil on your nails regularly. Vitamin E is known to improve and fasten the growth of your nails while making them stronger. After applying the vitamin E oil, massage your nails for 2 to 3 minutes. Massaging your nails is a great way to fasten the nail growth process. A gentle cuticle massage increases blood circulation and may promote nail growth. Tip number 6. Use gloves whenever washing dishes or cleaning. This is very important, you guys. Have you noticed that your nails look almost opaque after cleaning the house? The chemicals in the majority of the cleansing products will have an adverse effect on the strength of your nails, causing dryness and damage. Wearing a pair of rubber gloves is an easy way to prevent this and help you on your quest to grow your nails. Tip number 7. Stop biting your nails. This is also very important, you guys. If you're guilty of biting your nails on a regular basis, it's time to stop. I mean it, it's really time to stop. The habit leads to multiple bacterial infection that slows down the growth of the skin and nails in that area. Try keeping your nails polished so that you make a conscious effort not to bite them. Which leads to tip number 8, which is to always apply a nail strengthener or a base coat before applying a nail polish. Even if you don't have time for a full manicure, applying a hydrating and strengthening base coat can prevent the nails from peeling and becoming weak. This acts as a protective layer between your actual nail polish and the top layer of your nails. Now on to tip number 9. Always keep your nails painted. Applying nail polish protects your nails from breaking and reduces moisture loss. Nail polish will provide a safety layer to your nails and will make your nail beds stronger. So it's actually good to keep your nails always painted. Also be careful guys, don't go for some cheap nail polish, always go for a nail polish that will last longer, so you don't have to use a nail polish remover again and again. Now on to the last tip number 10. Dip your nails in cold water for extra strength. Before you start painting your nails, fill a bowl with ice cold water. Then, when you're finished painting, dip your nails in for about a minute. This is a great way to help protect against divots since it helps solidify nail polish all the way through and not just on the top. Ice water will also lock in moisture and will speed up the nail growth process. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.